Welcome to the brand new MINI Countryman, our most spacious Mini yet. The Countryman will be available in two different powertrains. We'll have the Countryman Electric and we'll also have the Countryman Petrol, which is a mild hybrid technology. The Countryman Petrol will be offered in two size engines. We'll have the 1.5 litre and we'll also have the Cooper S 2 litre. The 1.5 litre has a nifty 170 horsepower, with the Cooper S bumping that up to 218. Countryman Electric will also come in two options. We'll have the Countryman E and we'll also have the Countryman SE. The Countryman E coming with 204 horsepower and the Countryman SE coming with a whopping 313 horsepower. The new Countryman boasts a taller and slightly wider than the previous model, with being 13 centimeters wider and about 6 centimeters taller. As we can see, we've still kept the iconic Mini headlights. It still looks like a Mini from the front, but we've updated it so we can change on the fly our headlights here to suit your vibe. The headlights aren't the only place where you can change up your style. With our new updated brake lights, we have 3 customizable options. With a lot more of a minimalistic and streamlined design, we have a lot less badges on this Mini, but the badges we do have are finished in this gorgeous bronze color. Moving on to the interior, as we can see, we've ditched the Napa leather and moved to vegan leather, and most of the interior in this is up to 90% reclaimed materials. Hopping into the driver's seat of the MINI Countryman, in front of me we've got a totally new redesigned steering wheel, along with a fabric strap for a third spoke. In the center here we have our Mini display. This is the largest OLED circular display on the market at the moment. But don't worry though, we still have a few buttons in our cabin. On our control bar located beneath the screen, we have up to 8 different modes to suit your vibe and driving style, and each of them are equipped with a unique sound. Not only do they change your driving mode, they also change the look of the interior, with each mode changing the ambient light. So, the new MINI Countryman starts at 41,000 euros, with the Countryman S beginning at 51. If you want to go electric, the new MINI Countryman E starts at 49,000 euros, and the new MINI Countryman SE, the one with the larger horsepower, starts at 55. If you're eager to test drive the brand new Countryman, pop down to us at Joe Duffy MINI. We're having a launch event from the 2nd to the 9th of February.